loosen up my face
do I need
muscles.
to turn this on?
Oh shit, yeah, you reminded me.
Is it there? I can't see.
On the right hand side?
Yeah.
Is yours red?
Yeah. Is this thing on?
Ready to do this?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2,
Am I
1.
meant to cut as well?
No,
oh,
no, that's when my mic's in.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Right. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of Jump Rope Fitness and Lifestyle people. Today we have a massive special guest. We have Lauren Jumps in the house.
Hi everyone.
She's back again, guys, for part 2. If you guys don't know her, which is probably unlikely, or you're living in a cave, go check her out. I'll leave a little details here. And if you're fans of Lauren and you're watching this and you come across my channel, this is actually my channel, so before you leave any hate and weird comments.
Be nice.
Be nice. We've had some funny comments in the past. But anyway, today we are learning the TEXAN, right?
Yeah.
That's the official name?
Yeah, the TEXAN turn.
TEXAN turn. This is a move that I've seen Lauren do and I've requested it to show you guys for today. And I think hopefully it won't be as bad as when we did the releases. I might have a chance of getting this done. As always, hit the subscribe button. If you're new, hit the links down below. We've got you geared up. We've got the best ropes on the planet. Go down, use Rush 10 for 10% discount. Should we just get started?
Yeah.
Let's just get started. All right. Break it down for us, man. Where does this move start?
So it starts with the 360, which you can already do. Although I think I need to just check how you do your 360.
Okay, so I've got like a couple of versions of 360s. I normally go to sort of my right side like this.
Yeah.
I normally kind of step out like this.
Yeah.
Or just do, I don't know, there's loads of different variations of 360s.
Yeah.
What's the best?
And would you ever, hang on, because I'm thinking.
Yeah, so
would you come out of it, what about try coming out of it into a forwards, is that?
Forward, like this?
There we go, yeah.
Okay,
so
that's a good start.
Yeah.
All right, so before you get into this move, they should know a few turns, right?
Yeah.
All right, go check her page.
Turns, yeah.
Go check her page, and also, by the way, we should have mentioned you've got an app as well.
Yeah, my app Fancy Feats, where I teach all of these skills. So I teach all of the prerequisites that you would need anyway to attack this skill.
So we need to know some sort of turn. But let's say no one has ever seen a turn. What's a good way for them just to quickly learn to get into this move?
So you want to, well, the most important thing is foot placement, isn't it?
Yep.
So people don't think about that, but you want to just make sure you're getting your feet round.
Yep.
On each corner, which makes it easier. On each jump, you want to turn a quarter turn, really, don't you?
Quarter turn, yeah.
And I know you swing into yours, which is fine. I don't think that's going to make a difference. You quite like to swing into it, don't you?
Can swing into it, or
I think that's quite cool.
Can swing into it, or just go straight into it.
Yeah, I think it's cool for you to keep your style.
All right.
I should try that actually. Mark.
You don't normally do the side swing first, right?
But I like it.
Let's have a look at it again.
So the 360 is obviously like this.
Yep.
When there's a couple of ways you can do a TEXAN. I think let's start with the one where you don't even jump it.
Okay.
So basically, you want to face to the side on that first jump.
Yep. Yep.
And then you're going to bring the rope over to there.
Yep.
As you do it, throw your hands over your shoulders.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Is that it?
And you see the rope when
That's
naturally.
very smart.
Yeah.
It looks a lot more.
Because the rope naturally goes like that.
It looks a lot more.
That's it.
Well, that was so bad. Hold on.
So.
Right, you're not gonna have a lot of laughs and giggles as always. This is not a natural.
Yeah, so you've just added the backwards jump, which is fine. But that was the one. Remember, I was saying there's two ways you can do it. So you can literally, go like that without.
You can literally just walk on. You can
actually walk it, yeah. So you can literally go like that. Or, as you just demonstrated, you can do the backwards jump.
I think that's how I'm getting messed up actually. So let me go back to the more basic one.
But that's okay to do. I mean, it's just stylistic changes.
Literally that.
Yeah.
So, what do they actually have to think about with their hands then? What's a good way for them to think about
think about pointing your hands down to the ground.
Cool.
I mean, there's actually a couple ways you can do this. You can also just do it
I think that's a different move.
Way.
That's too hard.
It is actually called the TEXAN as well, but the style that I like to do the TEXAN, so I just think it looks cooler, is over your shoulders.
Wait, did you make this up?
No.
Okay. I was going to say, we call it the London. Wait, are you even London? Do we count you as London?
We call it the LJ.
The LJ.
The LJ.
All right, so when they come
360.
here, so when they're doing the backward part of the jump.
So you basically, it's when you let the rope go behind you.
Yep.
There, and then you literally, as the rope is coming up, you want to throw your hands over, and you'll see that the rope naturally, because gravity will take it down. Yeah.
I've missed something, haven't I?
But what, no, that was it.
Was that it? It feels too easy. But it doesn't look easy for me, obviously.
It is an easy, I think if you've got the 360, it is quite an easy skill.
All right, so I'm gonna try and walk this one through with you. So we're here.
Yeah. That's it.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Why do I know I look awkward as hell, but.
You can get used to the feel of it to tweak what feels good to you, but so you obviously want to try and we always talk about clean loops, don't we?
Yeah.
So you just want to make sure you're keeping the rope on its axis. So even I didn't do it there. So.
No, but I think what looks nice is, the timing of when you lift the arms.
Yeah.
So let's see when you do that. So it's like, so it's almost like.
So 1, 2, 3. So for the third jump, it's going over your shoulders.
That's it, I see. 1, 2, 3.
So what you've done there is...
What have I done?
You were still facing the back wall when you went like that, so you've just smashed bum.
I did smack my bum.
But you want to be, you need to be over, that's it. You need to be facing the sides when you do that bit. And that's why in some ways actually having that backwards jump is probably easier. But you can obviously, the benefit of this one is you can just walk through it, you don't have to jump that back one.
So do you feel anything with your elbows, or can they be flared out? Because I'm not very flexible. I've seen your elbows are quite close to, your elbows are quite high and by your face, and mine are like...
Well, I think obviously the better clearance you get, the cleaner the movement will be, because obviously if you're here, the rope's going to potentially hit your body.
Okay.
You want to get over so that you can get the rope behind you.
It's a cool move, Pete's, man. Do you want to show us like a few of them in a row?
Yeah.
This nice, easy way, All right, so you're doing something interesting with your footwork when you're doing the jump as well. So we talked about it on this channel as well. When they're doing the 360s, it's good to kind of half step into it.
Yeah. So I always go full quarter.
You're going anti-clockwise, I'm going clockwise, yeah? So we're at this point here. Once we're at this point here, it's...
And then that's it.
Here. And at this point, they've already jumped to the front. Yeah, so it's just the timing of that loop, isn't it?
Whereas if you do that extra, that's it.
It looks spooky, but that's not bad, isn't it?
No, I actually think if you do the extra backwards jump, you have more time to get round.
So this is kind of like a little bit intermediate, but also could actually work out better for you.
Yeah.
So the backward jump.
That's it.
Something like that?
Yeah.
Tell you what, peeps, man, it's actually not as bad when I first saw her doing it, when I first saw you doing it anyway. Oh, God.
Because you're not jumping the rope, it's actually...
I'm missing a step.
I think some would consider it easier than a 360.
I feel like I'm missing a step, though.
I mean, you're jumping the whole thing, a bit like with swings, how you jump your swings.
How's the loops look?
But what you can do is go like that. That's it.
That was just the hoodie. I'll blame the hoodie. Oh shit, I kind of forgot about the move there. I think the backwards now has become a bit more...
That's it.
Nah, did I just do it?
Yeah.
Kind of shit though.
No, I thought that was good.
How could you go to like the final stage of boss level with this?
So obviously I'm very footworky, so I'm often doing something like the running man. So then I want to incorporate it into that. Yeah. So then I go like that. So it kind of just...
I think, you know what looks good about, what looks serious about when you do this, right, is you're doing the same sort of step whilst you're spinning. Yeah. And the running man continues. But
exactly, it's a continuation. You can do the same with side straddles. Yeah.
Yeah, this move, I feel like when I watch your videos, it's like you just nailed it to a point where
well, it's one of these, to be honest, it is my go-to footwork. I'd say it's even more go-to than just running in place. Yeah. Like I feel weird running in place, but that's something you could do, isn't it? Yeah, I'm more of a kind of set off and explode, ready for the beat drop, whereas you're just like... It's quite fun, that.
Yeah. No. Anyway, that was sick. Really nice,
well
quick,
done.
easy tutorial. Well done you, man, for just being a good coach, teaching us how we do this. Guys, give it a try. Let me know in the comments how you get on. I'm sure if I can do it, and I'm normally rubbish at this type of shit, like you guys are gonna nail this very, very quickly. And thank you so much for coming on the channel.
Thanks for having me again.
We have got a podcast, so I don't know when that's going up. It might be before this video or after, but please go check it out. Lauren's got an amazing story if you don't know it already, and she's doing amazing things. And she's also launched Fancy Feats, which is an incredible app massive amount of content already on there. Check that, subscribe to it, do what you need to do. And yeah, man, thank you all for supporting, as you always do. Thanks so much for copying the merch and supporting the channel and brand and allowing us to do what we do every single day. So without further ado, you want to say bye?
So,
oh no, I was just going to
you see, I'm all on edge now because last time I kept missing them. All there was footage of me pieing Rush.
Yeah, now she's like on edge, like I need
now
to
I'm
make
like,
sure.
Oh.
No, yeah. Do you want to say bye? I'll keep my hands behind me so you know there's no. Nice little bye.
See you later.
See you guys in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.